Dear customer, now we are preparing to deliver our mask machine for you. And before delivering, we will disassemble our machines. And later, I will introduce the instructions of the disassemble operation for you. I hope these videos can help you to install our machines. In this area, between feeding rack and the mask main machine, we need to remember some areas. This is the first part. We have 2 Allen screws. Later on, the engineers will remove these 2 screws and also this area. Have 2 Allen screws too. And the third part is this one. We need to remove this bridge, nose bridge bar part. There are 2 Allen screws we need to remove. This area. And this one. And the last part of the feeding rack is this cable box. We will disconnect these cables. And for your convenience, when you install these cables, please match these marks. Okay, finish. the second part. In this area between the mask milling machine and the mask piece sanding machine, we don't have any fixation, and only these areas. 2 conveyors with this mask piece sanding machine, and also the 2 conveyors with 2 air loop welding machines. The first part will be here. This one. It's a rubber belt. These 2 rubber belts we will remove first and fix in this place. And the second area is here. First, second, third, and fourth. We have 4 places we have need to do the punching operation and fix these Allen screws. When you receive it, please remember this area to fix these 2 conveyors. And the third place is for these cables. All these cables, we use these quick plugs. It's easy for you to installation. And same with others. All the cables we have the marks here. Please match them, don't mix them. And also here this sensor. 2 sensors. We also have marks. Please match them. These 2 will also do the same fix in this area. And for the short conveyors with this air loop welding machine, we have 2 places. We also need to do the punching operation. When you receive it, please remember these 2 places. Port and the stop side. We have 2 places to fix the Allen screws. And the same with this long conveyors. This long conveyors with this air loop welding machine also have 2 places. Check. Port and the stop side. customers, I will introduce the third part of the air loop welding machine. But first, I will introduce the cable connections. Inside the box, we have 3 quick plugs. The first one, second one, and third one. And for disassembled machines, we just need to disconnect it. And if you for installation, please put them connected. That's enough. This one, that one. And the second place is this area. We need to remove it because of the limitation of the airway transportation. We have 4 posts here, and each of them have Allen screws under the desktop, also inside the box. And the third I will introduce is for the air hoses. This one is for the power supply, and also have 18 small hoses to connect the cylinders. I will show you one by one. The first area is here. We have 2 hoses, 1 and 2. We have marks 1, 2. Here is for the scissors, 3, 4, 5. And this area we have 4 cables for the cylinder of the welding head. 6, 7, 8, 9. Also have marks here, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same with these areas. For the scissor we have 3, 10, 11, 12. Check, please match the marks. 13, 14, 15, and 16. And the last 2 are here. 17, 18. So we totally have 18 air hoses. Okay, thank you. Now I will introduce the last part of this mask machine. The last part is between the air loop welding machine and this discharging belt. For this first area, we just need to disconnect this one. And for your installation, please mark these colors. Match these colors. Black and black, red and red. The same with the last. Just connect it. And later, I will show you the engineering to disassemble this shelf. This one. Okay.